Today we learn about special comparison forms. They don't work like soft, softer, softest. They are special. Good, bad, much, many, little and far. Let's sing! This book is good to read. That one is better now, but this one is the best. Let me show you how. Today is bad for me, but yesterday was worse, and Monday was the worst. So put it in this verse. Good can turn to better, better turns to best, bad can turn to worse now, worse can be the worst. Good can turn to better, better turns to best, bad can turn to worse now, worse can be the worst. I have much time today, you have even more, but she has the most time waiting by the door. I know many new words, you know even more, but he knows the most words we've ever heard before. Much can turn to more, more can be the most.